Alright, I just came back from the Apple store and I picked up a very special item. AirPods. And of course, me being a tech YouTuber, I had to do an unboxing video for you guys, so here it is. So if you didn't know, AirPods are by Apple and they're definitely the best true wireless earbuds out there that you can get. And what the fuck? Hey, what's going on everyone? John here from Tech on the Budget. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, do that right now because it's super easy to do. All you gotta do is hit that bright red subscribe button down below. And since you're already subscribing to the channel, you might as well hit that notification bell too so you can join the notification squad and be one of the first to know when I post new videos. Alright, so now that I said everything that I need to try and get you to subscribe to my channel, let's talk about some AirPods. So no, Apple did not make a mistake and package matte black AirPods. These AirPods are actually from a company called BlackPods. Now white AirPods are cool and everything, but they might not be everybody's cup of tea, so that's where this company BlackPods comes in. They custom paint AirPods and the results are pretty damn cool. So the AirPods I have are in a matte black finish, but they also have a glossy jet black, a space gray finish, and for you ballers out there, a gold finish. Of course, me being me, I had to go with the matte black finish. My first impressions of the paint job is that it's nicely done. BlackPods say that every pair of AirPods are hand finished by a team of artisans. With both the case and the AirPods itself, the paint job is clean. There's no uneven paint anywhere or weird coloring or anything. It's definitely a professional job. And as for how the paint will hold up, only time will tell. As for function, they work the same as any pair of AirPods you'd buy from the Apple store. They charge as they should. Tapping each earbud has a different function, like skipping forward to the next track or skipping back to the previous track. And of course, taking out an earbud pauses your music and putting it back in resumes your music. They work the same as regular AirPods, the only difference being is that they're black. So if you've been subbed to the channel for a while, you might have seen my initial review on AirPods. Honestly, probably none of you saw that video because I had like 17 subscribers at the time. I love those AirPods. From the beginning, I knew that AirPods were the best true wireless earbuds on the market, and honestly, I still feel the same today. But no matter how much I love them, I couldn't keep them and I had to return them. As you may know, I love having my tech in black. It's just so much sleeker and just looks better, in my opinion anyway. I tried applying a skin to them, but that didn't work out. Do not buy skins for your AirPods. Like, the precision it takes to try and get those on perfectly is ridiculous. And even if you get them on perfectly, they don't even look that great. Now, am I crazy for returning my AirPods because I couldn't have them in black? Yeah, probably. I got issues. But I mean, I can't be the only one because there's companies like BlackPods that gives me what Apple won't. So I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. BlackPods did send this out to me for free to review, but they didn't pay me to say nice things. I could honestly say whatever I want. If a month from now all the paint comes off or they catch on fire, then I'll be sure to let you guys know. But as of today, whatever the date is while you're watching this video, my initial review on them is that they're freaking awesome. You can quote me on this. Black AirPods are the best true wireless earbuds on the market. Second best being AirPods. So yeah, that's my first impressions on these custom painted AirPods. In about a month after I've used them for an extensive amount of time, I'll be sure to have a full review / update. So if you're interested in getting yourself a pair of these custom painted AirPods, I'll be sure to leave the link to BlackPods' website, as well as a specific pair I have down below in the description. So what do you think of these custom painted AirPods? Do you love them, hate them, don't really care, you're fine with your white AirPods? Let me know down below in the comments. And now we're at the end of the video, so you know what you gotta do. If you guys liked the video, be sure to smack that thumbs up button, subscribe right over here, and of course click that notification bell to join the notification squad. Now I'll catch you guys in the next video, and have a good one.